12 and you're listening to Joe Durrant, and my guest in the studio this afternoon is Stephen Lenormand, who is a rare breed because he shares a job title with only 11 other people in the world. Yes, he's one of only 12 guild masters, and we've been hearing all about how he came to do this and what he does at the moment based at the Stonemasons Guild of St Stephen at Woodchester Mansion.
I think we've come to the end of this evening's entertainment. I hope you don't mind me using that word because I think you'll all agree that Stephen is not only a master craftsman but also a master of just an extraordinary tale about his work. And I'm sure that tonight all of us will be going back and jumping on the internet to look up lots of different bits and pieces you've told us. It's been absolutely fascinating. When Lucy first suggested this, I thought, oh, I'm not sure, it might be a bit dry. Well, I've certainly been proved wrong. It was absolutely fascinating, and thank you so much for spending that time with us and teaching us. I think, well, I've learned an awful lot from this evening. It's been absolutely brilliant. So thank you very much on behalf of the Wood Association.
Stephen, one of the things that's come up in our interview so far is about the journey that you have to undertake. Can you just tell us a little bit more about your particular journey?
Apart from going across the Channel, going across the Mediterranean, and I had to get a short flight across Sudan because it was a war, I walked all the way. The traditional way is you have a stick of some kind and you twirl it, and whatever direction it falls in, that's the way you walk. You weren't allowed to have more than £50 at the time. Before you go, you can't have a girlfriend or a wife because you're not meant to be running away from anything. Where I was after time. I come from Islington. I was 21, so I didn't know the difference between one African dialect and another, so I had no idea where I was. But looking at the map and tracing it up, I went wildly out of my way a couple of times, getting mixed up where I thought a big lake was the sea. Lake Victoria, I thought it was the sea, and I followed it, and I ended up going back towards Sudan, which wasn't a good idea at the time.
Did you have to do all of that in one go? There was no breaks or anything?
No, you can't come home, or then you couldn't come home. So you had to stay more than 50k away from your home.